Welcome to our continuing series of LDS thought leadership dedicated to the discussion of transformation management. In each video, we address a topic of strategic interest to business leaders who are guiding their organizations through transformative change. In this episode, we discuss the phenomena of humans collaborating ever more closely with machines in the workplace as we grasp the era of the augmented worker. I'm Mimi Brooks, and this is LDS On, the Augmented Worker. Let's get started. When the idea of artificial intelligence was first conceived around the middle of the last century, researchers focused on developing rule-based systems that could simulate human thinking and decision-making. We were a long way from creating algorithms and models that could produce original content, such as images, music, text, and even entire virtual environments. Historically, the time from invention to mass adoption took decades, but today, even breakthroughs in technologies like generative AI, the integration of frontier technology into the workplace is accelerating at warp speed. Artificial intelligence, together with automation and data analytics, is streamlining processes, increasing efficiency, and shaping entirely new roles within organizations. Let's start by asking just where the human worker fits into all of these technological breakthroughs. Human-artificial intelligence collaboration involves leveraging the speed, scalability, and quantitative capabilities of AI tools to complement human skills, automate routine tasks, and enhance decision-making processes. Adaptability, resilience, and a commitment to staying informed about emerging trends is essential for individuals and organizations navigating the evolving landscape of work. We're seeing the emergence of a far more sophisticated worker, one whose attributes include the ability to not only demonstrate digital literacy, but one who can leverage uniquely human attributes such as emotional intelligence, cultural awareness, critical thinking, resilience, and adaptability. This quote from Jason McNamara is right on the mark when he suggests that, quote, AI's greatest possibility is not in replacing humans, it's in realizing its potential to assist organizations in their efforts to create previously unimaginable solutions. Artificial intelligence mimicking and even exceeding human intelligence is a source of both apprehension and awe. AI already excels at repetitive tasks, pattern recognition, and data analysis at a speed and scale that cannot be matched by humans. This outsourced cognition is leading to extraordinary innovations. Consequently, we're shifting from a labor-centric model to a more technology-focused approach that leverages advanced technologies to augment the capabilities of human workers. Organizations today can spur innovation, streamline processes, reduce costs, boost productivity, and create previously unattainable value streams, while at the same time using new technologies to achieve results that were previously thought of as unattainable. As deep machine learning continues to expand and usurp more complex tasks, we'll see a concerted drive for uniquely human wisdom. As shown here, we're adding crystallized intelligence, which is acquired knowledge that stems from learned knowledge and skills to the everyday work equation. This also acts as the counterpoint to fluid intelligence, which allows humans to identify complex relationships. The result is a form of knowledge, understanding, insight, and reflective thinking, a compilation of uniquely human views and individual interest that considers the interests and welfare of others. When augmented by new technology, the potential for creativity and innovation is unlimited. As Omar Ahmad, former CEO of Sync Energy Corporation, once said, Quote, "We live in a digital world, but we're fairly analog creatures. Even so, while automation implies that machines take over a human task, worker augmentation means that humans collaborate closely with machines to perform a task more effectively." I believe the workforce of the future will be augmented in three key areas: problem solving, decision making, and value creation, while at the same time, organizations will elevate the importance of employee engagement by allowing workers to focus on more meaningful and challenging aspects of their work. Let's explore each of these areas in greater detail. Augmentation is enhancing problem solving in companies by leveraging AI and automation to complement human capabilities. This can inspire workers to think beyond their preconceptions of what's possible or desirable in terms of solving commonplace problems. Such an approach can lead to solutions that humans might never have imagined using traditional responses. This can help overcome biases such as the Einstein effect, where individuals' previous experiences impede the consideration of new ways to solve problems. Here are just a few examples of how generative AI is already being used to help humans solve common problems. In the realm of legal compliance, such as instantly evaluating contracts, policies, and regulations, and analyzing the company's operations to discover any non-compliance. Improving supply chain management, quality assurance, and new product development, and using inventory and production data to streamline processes and cut down on waste. Optimizing talent acquisition by matching abilities and experience to job requirements to find the best applicants. Implementing risk mitigation techniques like diversification, hedging, and insurance. Streamlining fraud detection by flagging when an account is used from a different location or device, or when a substantial amount of money is transferred to an unfamiliar account. Maximizing inventory management by analyzing sales and demand data to discover ideal stocking levels and reorder points. All of this enhances problem solving in companies by combining the strengths of AI with human expertise, fostering a more dynamic and effective approach to addressing challenges. Secondly, frontier technologies can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing valuable insights that can aid human decision makers. In this way, organizations can make more informed choices, mitigate risks, and seize opportunities. This allows workers to focus on resolving more complex and strategic issues, while routine and repetitive decisions can be automated. Decision automation, decision augmentation, and decision support represent the degrees to which AI and analytics can be deployed by organizations to produce faster, more consistent, and higher quality decisions at scale. With decision automation, for example, the system makes the decision using predictive analytics, while with augmentation, the system recommends a decision or multiple decision alternatives to human actors. The obvious benefit of using this approach is the synergy between human wisdom and the capability of AI to rapidly analyze high volumes of data and also to deal with complexity. The emergence of Gen AI has significantly transformed the landscape of business decision-making. Dashboards have evolved to become dynamic, intelligent platforms complete with prescriptive capabilities. Machine learning insights are leveraged by large language models to create a narrative for the worker together with adaptive visuals. Dashboards today possess the capability to provide information through what could be termed a conversation with the existing data. This leverages worker insights and encourages a more proactive approach to data analysis. Today, frontier technologies are compelling organizations to reassess ideas around what constitutes the creation of value. Augmentation is building human-machine collaboration by combining the strengths of both entities to enhance value creation in various domains. This collaboration leads to improved productivity, efficiency, and innovation. This is resulting in an entire business ecosystem, from hardware providers to application builders, that will help bring its potential for all classes of workers to fruition. Amid unprecedented change, we need to understand the characteristics of workers in the transformation journey. This means building what we refer to as dynamic personas, or maintained employee profiles, that provide important insights into worker needs, worker interests, strengths, and their weaknesses. These personas consider people's propensity to do something well, a worker's likely reaction to a particular event or initiative, or how individuals are prone to respond to changing work and changing work practices. By recognizing workers' behavior in real time and crafting programs where the organization partners with workers to ensure their performance success, their continued relevance, their